Hey everyone, today we are going to be learning a new digraph. Listen to the phrase and sentence. What sound do you hear at the beginning of each word? Whitney's white whiskers. Which whale wheezed? What sound did you hear at the beginning? Yeah, I hear the w sound at the beginning of each of those words. And you already know a letter that makes the sound w. What letter do you know that makes that sound? Yeah, letter W. We learned all about this letter last week. We know letter W makes the w sound, but there's also a digraph that makes the w sound. So our digraph this week is WH. It makes the same sound as W. So we'll say WH says w. Try that 2 more times with me. WH says w. One more time. WH says w. We won't find this digraph on our ABC chart because we don't find our digraphs on the ABC chart. But we can look at some pictures of words that have the first sound w. So our first picture I have is of a wheel. And if you look really closely, you'll see the WH digraph at the beginning of the word wheel. So you'll know when you see WH together like that, that we don't make the h sound. That sound is silent. We just make the w sound. So this is a w wheel. Say that with me. W wheel. Next we have a picture of wheat. So again, if you take a look at that word, you'll see the WH, but we don't pronounce it eat. We just say wheat. Next we have a picture of a whale. Again, if you look at the word, you'll see the WH, the digraph at the beginning of the word whale. Let's say this one together. Whale. Say it with me. Whale. Good. One last time. Whale. And I have one last picture to show you. This is a whistle. We hear the w sound at the beginning, but if you look closely at the word, you'll notice there's the WH digraph. Whistle. Say that one with me. Whistle. So this week we don't have a book because we have a digraph, so we don't have too much to share this week. For WH, the digraph, it's just one that we kind of have to stick in our heads and remember that if we see W and H together like this, we're just going to say the w sound. So we'll just say 3 more times our digraph. WH says w. Here's 2. WH says w. And one last time. WH says w. Nice work, friends. Today we learned a new digraph, WH, and we learned that it makes the exact same sound as the letter we learned last week, the letter W.